If you want to turn off Snapchat notifications for just one person on Android, here's how you can do it. Open the Snapchat app and swipe right to go to the chat screen. Find the person whose notifications you want to mute. Tap and hold on their name until a menu pops up. Then select Chat and Notification Settings. In the Chat and Notification Settings menu, tap on Notification Settings. You'll see options like Mute Chats and Mute Calls. Toggle them on. A menu will pop up with options like for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours, and until I unmute them. Choose until I unmute them to completely mute their call and message notifications without unfriending or blocking them. If you also want to stop seeing story notifications from them, go back to their profile. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Story Settings. Then tap Mute Story to stop their stories from showing up in your feed. And that's it. You have now successfully muted or turned off Snapchat notifications for one person without them knowing.